Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is psychology and sports. In this chapter, we are going to cover five important topics. First is personality, its definitions, traits and types. इसमें दो थ्योरीज हैं आपके सिलेबस में, शेल्डन एंड जंग एंड बिग फाइव थ्योरी. Second topic is motivation, its types and techniques. Third is reason to exercise and benefit of exercise. Fourth is strategy for enhancing adherence to exercise. The fifth topic is meaning, concept and type of aggression in sports. Today we are going to start with the meaning of psychology. The meaning of psychology is related to your brain, how a man uses his brain for thinking. The word psychology is derived from two Greek words, that is physique and logos, which means soul and science. So it was first defined as the science of soul. But in 18th century, it was defined as the science of mind. Psychology is the science of your mental process. How you behave, how you react, how you think in a different situation. Psychology is related to the mental process. Brain and body are two separate parts which look separate but interlinked and correlated. Without the signal of the brain, the body cannot be work. Then comes with the sports psychology. What do you mean by the sports psychology? Sports psychology is the branch of psychology which deals with the positive behavior of a sports person. How a sports person tackle a situation with a positive attitude during his training, during the competitions. So this is the positive attitude of a sports person. Basically, sports psychology is a science which study how psychological factors affect your performance. How the psychological factor affect a performance of a sports person. Sports psychology deals with that. It can be defined as it is anything to do with the brain within the brackets of sports. आप स्पोर्ट्स की ब्रैकेट्स में रह के आप अपने ब्रेन के साथ जो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी. देन कम्स विद द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, पर्सनैलिटी, इट्स डेफिनेशन एंड टाइप्स. पर्सनैलिटी बेसिकली होती क्या है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पर्सनैलिटी? पर्सनैलिटी इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इमोशनल एटीट्यूड एंड बिहेवियर रिस्पॉन्स पैटर्न ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. Personality is the typical pattern of thinking, feeling and behaviors that makes a person unique. When we say that someone has good personality, we mean that they are likable, interesting and pleasant to be with them. जब हम किसी के बारे में बोलते हैं कि ही हैज़ गुड पर्सनैलिटी, इसका मतलब है कि लोग उसे लाइक करते हैं, उसके साथ रहना उन्हें पसंद है, उनके सारे एटीट्यूड, बिहेवियर, लाइकिंग, डिसलाइकिंग सब आपको पसंद है. पर्सनैलिटी इज़ द टोटल सम ऑफ हिज फिज़िकल, मेंटल, सोशल, इमोशनल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल आस्पेक्ट. जब हम किसी की पर्सनैलिटी देखते हैं तो ये 5 चीज़ें सबसे मोस्ट आप उसमें देखते हो. सबसे पहले आती है फिज़िकल डायमेंशन. फिज़िकल डायमेंशन का मतलब आता है कि आपकी फ़िज़ीक. A healthy, muscular and good looking body of an individual has a very positive impact on others. वो जब आपकी बॉडी हेल्दी होगी, गुड लुकिंग होगी, मस्कुलर होगी, तो वो सबका अटेंशन अपनी तरफ खींचती है। तो फिज़िकल डायमेंशन जो है वो सबसे पहले आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को जज करने में हेल्प करती है। अगर आप फिज़िकली वीक हैं तो यू कैन नाइदर प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ नाइदर वर्क फॉर द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ योर नेशन। आप अपने आप को भी प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते और अपने नेशन की प्रोग्रेस के लिए भी वर्क नहीं कर पाते। According to Sheldon, three types of physical dimension. First is endomorph, having round, fat, and soft body. Mesomorph, having well-developed athletic body, and ectomorph, having weak and delicate build body. So these are the three dimensions given by Sheldon in physical dimension. Second is mental and intellectual dimension. Man is considered as the supreme creation of God due to his intelligence. A good physique without mind has no meaning. A combination of both physique and mental intelligence helps an individual to adjust in the changing condition of day-to-day life in a better way. इसमें भी 3 डायमेंशंस दी हैं शेल्डन ने। फर्स्ट आता है विस्कैरोटोनिक, हैप्पी एंड लवर्स ऑफ फूड। सेकंड आता है सोमैटोटोनिक, बोल्ड एंड रिस्क टेकिंग पर्सन। थर्ड आता है सेरिब्रोटोनिक, टेंस्ड एंड स्टूडियस, जो हर सिचुएशन को लेके टेंस्ड रहता है, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा। दिस इज़ द सेकंड डायमेंशन ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी, मेंटल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल। थर्ड इज़ सोशल डायमेंशन। आपको बहुत सी चीज़ें जो हैं सोसाइटी के अंदर रह के सीखनी होती हैं। He learns many things from the society and depends upon other members to fulfill his needs. He is influenced by the customs, traditions, manners of the society. Many qualities like character, morality, cooperation, kindness, good habit, sportsmanship, these are developed only in a social environment. It is a matter how one individual respond to himself or to be members of the society. And the last dimension is emotional dimension. Emotions play a very important role in your day to day life. आपके इमोशंस कौन कौन से हैं? एंगर, लव, अफेक्शन, जेलसी। these are the emotions which make our life worth living. आपके इमोशंस ही आपकी थिंकिंग को अफेक्ट करते हैं। लाइफ विदाउट इमोशंस आर नथिंग। पर्सनैलिटी इज़ द ओवरऑल इम्प्रेशन ऑफ एन person on others. Emotions make our life happy as well as unhappy, interesting as well as dull. These are present in each and every living organism at all the stage of development. Emotions play a very important role in the personality. These are the dimension of the personality. That's all for today lecture, and I think all topics are clear to everyone. Thank you.